than greetings to you, dear subscriber and lovely visual traveler. Today we arrived at Imam Khomeini International Airport to pick up a family of Omani friends. Today I will share with you good information that you need to enter Iran, and we will also see the atmosphere of the arrival and departure flights in this walk. I promise you that your perceptions of Iran will change after your travel to Iran, because the lens of the media is lying and dependent, you know it. Let us see Iran in the true light together. Now we are in the outer corridor of the arrivals level in the international airport. The first time you come to Iran, you will undoubtedly find yourself among one of the warmest and oldest cultures in the world. But there are also challenges. The first challenge you face is the inability to use international bank cards, such as Visa card and MasterCard. This is where you should carry enough dollars for the trip, and as soon as you pass the checkout and when you are waiting for your luggage, transfer your dollars to the tourist card. These kind of cards are designed for foreign travelers to Iran at the exchange located at the airport, so that you can use POS and ATM machines during your trip and your payments are safe and simple. Another thing that you should get at the airport is a tourist SIM card. It is very important. A SIM card that does not include internal filtering, and you don't have to install any VPN on your phone, and that you can easily access social networks. It is ridiculous, isn't it? Yes. But the funny thing is that almost all millions of Iranians and even the moderators of this filtering use the VPN to access global interactions. But let's just laugh at this and don't talk more about it. It will be political. And I hope this information is useful for you. Now let's talk a little about the appearance of the international airport. In my opinion, the airport should have the national symbols of that country as the first place that is our gateway to the new culture. Can you see these columns? The only Iranian visual element that I see in the international airport is these beautiful columns. Some of them decorated with broken mirrors. You generally see this kind of art, which is the combination of plaster and mirror, in the palaces and the big mosques. Of course, not all of the columns, as you can see, are complete, and it's appear to be forming. The international airport of Iran has many parts for comfort of the passengers, such as exchange office, restaurant, coffee shop, prayer room, and hotels for long stay, as well as various transportation facilities such as taxi, bus, and even subway. So travel to Iran yourself and see one of the most warm-blooded people in the world, Iranian people. Learn about the beautiful Iranian culture and eat delicious Iranian food. Delicious and cheap for you. I wish you a beautiful stay at a low cost. And although cars and houses and expenses are challenging for Iranian with low real income, but the price of the food and gasoline and petrol will surprise you. And you can touch the challenges of the peace-loving Iranians. The challenges that the people full of history has with the politics and the religion of the rulers, and you can see it with your eyes. And I want to tell you that I know most of the people in this round world, they are peace lovers. Would you like, after walking in the international airport of Iran, we go together to a beautiful park full of replicas of the historical monuments of Iran, which is registered in the list of World Heritage? If you like to, Let's walk around and see this first place that you encounter with during your trip to Iran, and then we will go together as a family trip, walking in the beautiful civilization park. So enjoy your walking. We are together, and it's a very good day with you.
Đối với các bạn trong khoang, các thân nhân và sạc